Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how I can help you streamline the process of conducting literature reviews. A literature review is a crucial part of any research project. It helps you understand what's already been studied, identify gaps in the existing literature, and provide a foundation for your research question. Let's begin with the role of AI in the literature review process. Traditionally, reviewing hundreds of papers to find relevant studies was a time-consuming task. However, with AI-powered tools, this process has become much faster and more efficient. Tools like Semantic Scholar and Scite use AI to help you search for papers and summarize findings. Semantic Scholar is a free, AI-powered search engine that helps researchers find key papers. It highlights important insights, such as the number of citations and the relevance of the study to your research. I can also suggest papers that might not have appeared in your original search query but are still highly relevant. Similarly, Scite goes one step further by not only showing you what's been studied but also telling you how studies have been cited by others, whether they support or contradict the findings. This feature can help you assess the strength of evidence and refine your research question. To demonstrate, let's say you are researching dental fluorosis. You can use Semantic Scholar to find studies on the prevalence of fluorosis in different populations. The AI will show you the most relevant papers based on your keywords. Scite can then help you understand the impact of those studies by showing how they've been cited in the broader research community. Now, here's an activity for you. Use Semantic Scholar or Scite to find 5 key articles related to your research topic. Take note of the gaps and contradictions you find, as this will help guide your own research question. In summary, AI-powered tools like Semantic Scholar and Scite can drastically reduce the time spent conducting a literature review while providing valuable insights. In the next video, we'll look at how to analyze data and present your findings using AI tools. See you there.